By default, new workbooks have only one sheet. If you want to add new sheets, you can click the plus sign down here in the lower left-hand corner. You can rename a sheet by either A, double-clicking on it and typing the name that you want, or you can right-click and choose Rename. By chance you're feeling artistic, you can change the color of a sheet by right-clicking, choosing Tab Color, and then picking the color that you like. As more sheets are added, you can maneuver through your workbook in several ways. The simplest and most direct is to click on the sheet that you want. Other ways to maneuver around include right-clicking on the set of arrows you see down here. Excel will then present a list of sheets that you can go to. Simply click the one you want and choose OK. Other methods to maneuver through your workbook include using the Control Page Up and Control Page Down keys. Control Page Down will take you to the right. Control Page Up will take you to the left. If your file contains a lot of sheets, you can slide through your workbook by left-clicking on the arrows down here on the left-hand side. You can rearrange your sheets by doing a left-click and drag to move the sheet to where you want it. And finally, if you want to delete a sheet, you can right-click on a sheet and choose Delete.